and these are all lines of code.
Excited to be coding! Hilton Head School for the Creative Arts is taking part in the Hour of Code. During STEAM classes, students are going on code.org to learn about coding and work on several different coding activities.
I was coding a game about a crocodile running for coins, and you have to code how many ways it will go up to catch the coins.
I did these little coding games, and you have to make it kind of perfect. You have to use your brain a lot so you can figure out the perfect orders to put it in, the turning, which way to go, to move left or right. So it gets harder as you go on, but the first few levels, it kind of teaches you which ways to go, and then it gets progressively harder. But since you know a lot more coding ways, it kind of gets easier too.
I like about coding, it's cool and it's fun, and I was making it walk, jump, and spin around.
The Hour of Code is an annual event organized by code.org. It encourages kids from around the world to go online and learn computer science skills.
It gives them the opportunity to problem solve and think and not realize they're doing it, but they're doing it for the sake of having fun. And I also like to tell them who plays, Roblox, who plays Fortnite, because that is coded, and they realize, hey, if that's coded, maybe I can do that. And then it gives them that extra skill that could be used elsewhere. I mean, there's so many things. I showed them the different careers that coding comes into. It travels in a lot of different pathways.
Younger students are also learning about coding. These first graders are dancing to a Compass Rose song to better understand directions.
East,
East,
south,
south,
north,
north,
west,
west.
Obviously, they need to understand their direction, north, south, east, west, as they progress in elementary school. And it also helps them to understand that when you code, specifically in the first grade level coding, you need arrows, and arrows are direction. So they were able to apply that to coding and moving their avatar.
Some students also had the opportunity to code small robots, making them move and light up.
And now we're going to hit run.
The students are really enjoying learning coding skills.
If you learn about coding, and since we live in the modern times with all this social media, coding's in our everyday life.
The Hour of Code started in 2014. According to code.org, students in more than 180 countries participate. At Hilton Head School for the Creative Arts, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
We love